What's happening? I'm just Ryan. As you can see, I'm standing up like a twat because my back hurts. This should be healthier for me. And also I can move around a bit more. Ah, I stood on a plug! Fuck! Hey, I stood on a plug. I can move around a lot more. Well, not much anymore. I just fucked my foot up. But I can move around, you know what I mean? So I can react a bit better, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be reacting to ONEOKROCK again because my video popped off, you know. 2,000 fucking views is nuts, bruv. Well, that was my first proper YouTube video, you know, with the camera, the reacting to something else, like the editing, all of it. So 2,000 views, thank you very much. You guys are nuts. And 160 something, like 167 I think it's on now, likes. Mental. Appreciate you all. And I also gained 15 more followers. So I appreciate you. You're amazing. And that is why I'm reacting to ONEOKROCK again, because in the comments, people really wanted me to react to their live stuff. So I'm going to do what the people want and do that. This one is ONEOKROCK 1x1 live Tour 35XXXV. That sounds dodgy as shit, but I'm sure it's not about that. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. The songs are amazing. I can't see why they wouldn't be amazing live. He's got a power stance. I'm going to sneeze. Anything that you want me to react to that you think would be funny or that you just think I should react to, I should see, that you want me to see, let me know in the comments because I struggle finding things. So that's where I rely on you. Right, that being said, let's get right into it, shall we? ONEOKROCK 1x1 live. Let's do it. That's a bit loud. Oh. Alright, so first off, heavier, much heavier than the other song. Vocals are unreal for a live performance, like nuts, gotta say it. Green hair, love it. I've got my light green at the moment, so that's fitting. I'm gonna sneeze again. I did see in the comments that he did a tribute when Chester passed, which is mental, rest in peace in that. But he does have some similarities there in his voice. The vocal fry is very similar in the way he sings. But I'll shut the fuck up and listen. Wait a fucking minute. Guitar is coming out with some vocals. What the fuck was that, bruv? Mental. He's got a fucking voice on him. What is with it, with these fucking heavier bands, right? Or these metal bands, rock bands, or whatever you may call it. Why is always the fucking guitarist got the vocals of a god, bruv? Like, the guitarist of this band is leagues above half the singers on the fucking charts right now. What the fuck, bruv? Also, his hair looks sick. He looks like straight out of a video game, mate. These guys are unreal. Anyway, let's go on. Ah, it's got. Obviously, there's a pit going. Of course, there's a pit going. Their stage presence is nuts. You could tell the crowd absolutely adore him, bruv. He's on point. Da 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 da. Oh, unreal. And that pit was sick as well. The guitarist has a mental voice. Obviously, the singer does too. He's a fucking singer. But that guitarist is nuts. Someone in the comments did tell me their names. I'm sorry, I don't remember it. But he's sick. There. Is he on a trampoline? Oh, wait. I looked away for a second, bruv, and looked back. Is he on a fucking trampoline right now? There's no chance he's on a trampoline. Yeah, I definitely saw it wrong. What is that? Is that just a metal grate? Oh, okay. Genuinely, I looked away for a second and looked back. I just saw him on something up and down. He's got a fucking mental vertical jump, you know. I don't know. Ignore me, bruv. I'm just fucking hallucinating. I'm ill. Okay, so that's probably why. Anyway. Oh. Hard, bruv. Hard. Wait. Wait, that was fucking mental. So my guy has aura, bruv. So let me turn this live as well. He was just standing there. He knew what he was doing, bruv. He was ready for that breakdown. Lets the crowd sing the bit and just fucking... Yeah. Yeah. Mental. And that's staying red now. That's staying red. By the way, have you seen my follow? It's cool. I'll explain it another time. Let's get back to the song. But that was hard though. That was hard. Oh, you did it. He did it. For those of you who fucking watched my, I don't know what video I was in. I think it was in the Sleep Token one. My favourite noise in music is when a guitarist goes with the fucking guitar. Mate, it is my favourite. I don't know why it's my favourite sound. I love it, bruv. It's so Halloween-y and fucking, do you know what I mean? It's just sick. He just fucking did it. So, point through the fucking roof for this song. I love it so much. Let's get back to it. Right. So a lot of what had just happened then. One, I thought someone just fucking broke in. So I was like, what the fuck? Two, that was sick. That ending was nuts, bruv. That ending was nuts. He's got some vocals on him, bruv. He's got some vocals on him. Wait, half the comments was people saying, watch them live, they're better live. Or not better live, they're really good live. They fucking are. They're nuts. His screams are so similar. Are similar to fucking Chester, bruv. He's unreal though. That is mental. I wish I could sing like that, bruv. I love it. And like I said, the near the end there, absolutely just topped it for me. ONEOKROCK are insane. For now, this is going to be the last-ish reaction I do on them. For now. I'm obviously going to come back to them because they're nuts. I've actually started listening to them properly. They're in my playlist, bruv. So, they've made an impact. Yeah, nah, all props to them, all respect. He's got fucking vocals. The guitarist has got vocals. The drummer looks like a nutter. I love it. All the hairstyles are sick. Don't know about the green, but I respect it. What a guy, bruv. What a band. ONEOKROCK. It is a fucking pass by me, bruv. Go listen to them if you haven't. By the looks of my comment section, everyone but me has fucking heard of them. So, you know. But yeah, I've got nothing else to say to it. They're nuts. Live, studio, all round, amazing band. I don't know how I haven't heard of them sooner, but here we are. I'm glad I have. But yeah, that's been ONEOKROCK live, one by one. I appreciate all of you on that video who's liked, subscribed, and commented to show me this. Thank you. They're sick. They'll definitely be going in my playlist, all the songs. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, even though some of you have. Love ya. Give the video a like as well. I appreciate it. Like I said at the start of the video, I'm going to be doing some more reaction stuff as well, not just music, because I feel like doing a wide range of things is just interested in it and stops me from getting bored. Let me know down in the comment section what you would like me to react to. Any bands, obviously musicians, also anything else. So like videos that you've seen, people on TikTok, people on YouTube, stuff that's going on, you know, just anything I can react to. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know what you think. But yeah, I appreciate you. I'm just Ryan. I just smacked my chest so hard, bro. I'm just Ryan. Peace out.